Guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to go over the Walgreens ad preview with you guys for next week. We did get a ton of booster digital coupons that I posted on my Instagram and on the community tab. If you don't follow me yet on Instagram, you definitely want to look it up. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I do post new deals or updates, you guys will be notified. I will also be choosing a new winner. The other winner did wind up getting back to me, so I'm going to choose another winner anyways. So I will choose a winner in this video, so stay tuned for that as well for one of the pieces of merchandise, either the Cut It Out Like a Coupon tank or the Coupon Queen tank top. So a lot of you guys have been asking me as well what order those booster coupons are going to come off in and if they're going to stack, things like that. I've never seen us get 18 booster coupons at one time. So I don't know if it was a glitch or something or what's going to happen next week. I'm assuming the order they're going to come off in is going to be based on the amount. So for example, 5 off 10 is probably going to come off first. Then it's probably going to be 20% off of 15 because that dollar amount would be about $3 off of a $15 purchase. Then it would be the $5 off of 15, $3 off 18, so on and so forth. So that's how I'm assuming it's going to work. I do not believe they are going to be stacking. I will try one of them on Sunday to kind of get a heads up on what the rest of the week is going to look like with using these boosters. And then I will let you guys know on Sunday how it went and if any of them do stack. I will also be doing a separate video for some amazing deals that you can take advantage of, separate from my must-do deals. So stay tuned, lots of great videos coming on the channel. And I wanted to start the ad preview here because right when you log in to Walgreens.com, this has been popping up. If you're new to couponing, especially at Walgreens, and you have not added your email yet, you can add your email address and you will get 5,000 points just for doing so. So that is a super easy way to get you some points under your belt that you can start rolling and earning more and more points with to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. So you definitely want to take advantage of that if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals for next week. So we have All and Snuggle. They are $2.99. We are getting a $1 off coupon, making it $1.99. We are getting 2 inserts on Sunday, a Retail Me Not and a Smart Source. The Retail Me Not, I did see it had some Dove coupons, some Renews It coupons, and there was something else that was a really good, Garnier Whole Blends. We're getting another coupon as well. So I will have to order those online. My region no longer gets the Retail Me Not insert for some reason. We have Bounty and Charmin, $6.99, and a $3 register reward when you buy 2. If you're needing some sunscreen, there was an amazing Ibotta rebate deal that I did in my Ibotta haul. There was also a Shopkick rebate on the new Alba sunscreen. So I wound up getting 2 of them for $3.81. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it at the end of this video. 3 for $10.99 for every single 12-pack. They're all going to be included and they're all going to be on sale, which is definitely a great price point because typically they are $6.19 each. So if you buy 3, that would be $18.57. So that's going to be saving you about $8 right there. We have more cereal, just $1.99. There is a 50-cent off 1 digital for the General Mills cereal, I believe. So I'm definitely going to be using that the current week still. There is 2 for $1 Arizona iced tea. If you need a good cheap filler item to allow a register reward to attach, those are definitely some great items to use. This one I'm really excited about. Dixie plates, bowls, or cups are buy one, get one free. Now it shows a 75-cent off 2 coupon. We did have a $1 off 2 digital previously. So if you clip that or you still have it on your account, you can use that next week. It doesn't expire until the 27th. So that would give you even more savings, and that would make that, typically they're $3.99 each. So buy one, get one free, and $1 off of two, you're going to pay just $2.99 or $1.49 each. So not a bad deal there. Buy one, get one half off for Maybelline. Crest, we are getting a deal for $2.99. There is a $1 off coupon. I didn't see this listed in the coupon insert preview, so I don't know if that's going to be another digital Walgreens is going to give us. Fingers crossed. They have been giving us some amazing digitals for moneymakers and freebies for Crest toothpaste the last like 5 weeks or something. It's been absolutely amazing, especially with some of the Ibotta rebates as well. So the way it stands, it's not a good deal with just $1 off one coupons, but we'll have to wait on Sunday and see what else we get. Pampers, 2 for $18. There is a $3 off 2 coupon and 6,000 points when you buy 3. Not the best deal. Typically, the best deals for diapers is at CVS because they'll do like 2 for 20, spend 20, get a 5. Like really easy deals. These are always complicated where you have to buy extra and then there's no coupons and kind of a mess. So I would stay away from this one. $5.99 for Cottonelle and Viva. Buy one, get one free. I would stay away from that. Typically, we get them buy one, get 2 free. Same for the Purex. Lay's and Doritos, 2 for $5. Definitely a good price point there. Couple alcohol deals here. Bud Light, there is a $5 mail-in rebate. Best thing to do anytime you get a mail-in rebate is the second you get home, fill out the rebate and get it in the mail. Otherwise, you'll probably lose the receipt and kind of lose track of it, and then you'll be out. Buy one, get one free. Nothing else there. $1.99. These are, that's a pretty good deal for those items. Swedish Fish, Trolleys, Haribo. Not the best deal on those. What else? 3 for $4 for Pringles, $1 off 3 coupon, making them 3 for $3. That is definitely a good deal. That makes them just $1 each. What else? Kit Kat, we have an 88-cent off 2 digital coupon. So if you grab 2 of them, they're only 75 each, so they're going to be on sale. Then when you have that 88-cent digital coupon, you'll pay 62 cents for both, which is 31 cents each. And that is for the Kit Kat birthday cake. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing that and giving that a shot. Gavalia and McCafe, there were some dollar Ibotta rebates. I'm not sure if they're still there or if that one has expired. Okay, let's see. Gain, I would definitely do your Gain deals at Dollar General. There are some amazing digital coupons. I will be doing a Dollar General Saturday 5 off 25. I'm also going to go tomorrow. There are a lot of paper coupon deals that I want to do. In my region, you can't use paper coupons with the 5 off 25 because the system calculates the paper coupons first. Then it puts your total below 25, so the 5 off 25 doesn't work. So that's why I have a couple deals that I want to do tomorrow. 99 cents for the Dawn, another good filler item. We have the 20-ounce Palmolive, $1.99, 50-cent coupon, and 2,000 points when you buy 2, which is awesome. So if you're doing 2 50-cent coupons, you would pay $2.98, get back $2. Final cost is just 49 cents each, which is absolutely amazing. That's a 20-ounce bottle, so that's a lot larger than those small little 10-ounce ones. Okay, let's see. Angel Soft, $5.99. There is a 50-cent Walgreens coupon, which is an IVC coupon, and then a 50-cent, probably a digital coupon. Makes them just $4.99. What else? Buy one, get one free on Complete Home or Parrot candles. Renews it. The Ibotta rebate is still good for $2 back when you buy 5, and they're just 89 cents each. And we have a buy 4, get 2 free coupon coming in the Sunday inserts. So if you buy, you'd have to buy 6 of them to use this coupon. That would be $5.34. But 2 of them are going to ring free with that coupon. Sometimes that coupon gets a little weird, so just make sure you're watching your totals. Your total should then be $3.56, and you're going to get back $2 from Ibotta, making it $1.56 for all 6, or just 26 cents each. If you're not signed up on Ibotta, I highly recommend that app. I use it all the time. Here is my code QMEHSBF. You will get a welcome bonus, and we can join the same team to help each other track towards monthly bonuses. Okay, let's see. Dove. We are getting some Dove coupons for the polish and something else in the Sunday insert. They're buy one, get one half off, and 1,000 points when you buy 2. Definitely a better deal the current week if you want to do Dove. If you have signed up for the Dove.com emails, they send you coupons. I've gotten 3 off of 2 Dove body wash and 2 off of 2 Dove body wash. So those would definitely make those deals a lot better. Buy 2, get the 3rd free. Mix and match skincare is still going on. I have been seeing a lot of clearance items as well at Walgreens. So was it the current week or last week? I don't remember. I think it was last week. But I found those Soap and Glories that were 99 cents, and then there was the Ibotta rebate. Those counted towards the buy 2, get the 3rd free, which wound up making one of them a moneymaker. So you always want to kind of quickly scan through the store and just kind of see which ones are on clearance, if there's any good rebates or deals that you can do. Can be some really nice and easy freebies or moneymakers. Colgate Optic White, $4.99, and a $3 register reward on your next purchase. Go to Colgate.com. Typically, there are $1 off printable coupons, but we'll have to see if those are still available. If so, that would make this just 99 cents, which is not the worst deal, but it'll give you a nice $3 register reward to use, so that's not bad either. There are printables for Colgate Total as well. King C Gillette, we had some digital coupons. I'll have to check the expiration dates, but this can be a great deal to do with some of those booster coupons. So keep that in mind. I will try to put together some really amazing scenarios for you for a couple of them. Obviously, I'm not going to do all 18. The only ones that I clipped, I didn't clip any of the 10% off ones, or there was some like $3 off ones. I didn't clip those either. I just did the 30%, the $5, the 25%, and I think some of the 20% as well. You can always remove them, but they do disappear. I've already been seeing some of you post that some of them have disappeared on you guys already. So anytime you see that posted that there's some digital boosters, you always want to stop what you're doing, run over to your Walgreens ad. The coupon is in the coupon folder in the app. You're going to go to household, and that's where you're going to find them. So you definitely want to make sure you do that as soon as possible. Buy one, get one half off. The Rimmel is always a good deal to do with that because we have a ton of Rimmel digital coupons. So for the Rimmel, for example, what you can do, these lip glosses here are $3.99. Some stores are up to $4.29, so just check your pricing. It does vary. So the total would be $5.98. If you use the 4 off of 2 Rimmel Lip Digital, your final cost is just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. So that can definitely be a great deal. I'm still waiting for some Tresemme coupons, so hopefully those will come in pretty soon. We haven't had some good Tresemme deals in a while. Neutrogena, there's a lot of different Ibotta rebates for Neutrogena, so if this is a deal you're wanting to do, definitely make sure you're checking that out. L'Oreal Paris, there is a moneymaker deal at CVS next week. We are going to be getting some extra bucks for L'Oreal Paris, some of the mascaras, so stay tuned for that video. I will have that included in my must-do deals video. Secret or Gillette deodorant, I found a 4 off of 2 digital that I had clipped. They're buy one, get one half off. There is a $2 coupon as well. So remember, at Walgreens, you're always going to have the lowest value coupon come off first. So when you're setting up your haul and your scenarios, you want to make sure you're checking all of your coupons. Make sure there's nothing of a lower value clipped as well. If there is, then you want to make sure that you just unclip it. That way you don't have any issues. There were some Ibotta rebates for Secret, but it does not work at Walgreens, unfortunately, or that would be even more amazing. Okay, it's time to announce the new winner, or the second winner, I should say, for the merchandise that I posted in my CVS haul video, not from this most recent Sunday, but the previous Sunday on June 7th. So I was giving away one of the Cut It Out Like a Coupon tank tops or the Coupon Queen tank top. So the new winner is Amanda Williams. Congratulations. Make sure you send me an email within 2 days. This is my email address, briecouponqueen@gmail.com. Send me which one you want, what size, and what color. And then, of course, make sure you send me your address as well. It will take a little bit to get that shirt, so just be patient on that. I will let you know when I put it in the mail and get it sent out for you. And if you don't mind, take a picture with you in it, send it to me in an email so I can post it on my Instagram. Thank you so much to everyone who joined and is part of this channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. And now back to the ad for next week. Buy one, get one half off for CoverGirl. We are getting some new CoverGirl coupons in our inserts. We have some CoverGirl coupons from previous inserts that are also still valid. See if there's any good medicine deals or anything. Always in Tampax. Typically the best place to get these is at Walmart using Ibotta. A lot of times we'll get some good coupons in the PG insert. I had got quite a few feminine products free or small moneymakers at Walmart using the Ibotta app. So I did post that one. I believe that was the deals I did 2 weeks ago. So just double check on the channel. A lot of these deals run for like a month or two, so those rebates may still be available. Okay, Depends, $11.99, Always Discreet, Poise. And that looks like it is the end of the ad. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment, let me know. If you haven't seen the Walmart Ibotta haul that I did yesterday, definitely check it out. You can click this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.